How to turn off vibration in Shadow Fight 3. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If your game feels a bit too shaky every time you land hits in Shadow Fight 3, then turning off the vibration or haptic feedback is a quick fix that you can perform. First of all, launch open Shadow Fight 3 game on a device, and once you're inside this main lobby screen, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings tab, go ahead and look for vibration and tap on it. Make sure that it is leveled as off in order to switch off the vibration in the game. You can turn on the vibration anytime you want by tapping the same button, and from there you can adjust the vibration setting. Now once you turn off the vibration, go back to the game and see how it feels. You'll notice no more buzzing during attacks or hits. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.